Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by making the connection possible. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and ensure both devices share the same network. Once done, open your phone's casting or screen mirroring menu. This is typically in quick settings or display. Make sure the TV input and any casting app on the TV are ready to accept a connection. If your TV uses a device like Chromecast or Apple TV, open its home screen so it can be discovered. Now select the TV name on your phone to begin the handshake. You now initiate the actual cast. Tap your TV from the phone's list and confirm the prompt. Once connected, configure resolution and orientation if options appear. Lower resolution reduces lag. Make sure audio output is set to the TV or external speaker, otherwise sound stays on the phone. Grant screen capture permissions when the system asks, because without them the mirror won't display content. If you plan to stream video, switch to landscape and lock rotation. This prevents accidental orientation changes during playback. To finish, stop casting from the phone's control panel or the TV's app. This ensures apps release resources. If the picture is choppy or connection drops, reboot the phone and TV first and then the router. That clears stale network states. Make sure there's no guest network isolation and update the casting app or firmware. If problems persist, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for less interference, or use an HDMI adapter for a direct wired mirror, which eliminates wireless variables.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.